The Onward to Opportunity distance learning component provides you with online coursework and practice exams covering your selected learning path. Courseware is provided through the Metrics Learning System. You will be given a username and password to Metrics Learning that is good for 6 months. In order to keep your license active, you will need to launch an activity within the first 14 days of having your license. If not, your license will be recycled back. You can log into Metrics 24/7 from any computer with internet access. Once you log in, you will be brought to the Getting Started page. Before we begin the 2 steps in Metrics, we want to make sure your computer settings are compatible with Metrics Learning. To check your computer settings, click on Help, Browser Check. The browser check will confirm proper computer configuration. A yellow triangle or red X indicates that your computer settings need to be adjusted. Follow the directions provided to fix your computer settings. All settings must pass the browser check in order for Metrics to properly function. If you continue to have problems, you can create a support ticket to contact technical staff. We will discuss how to do that later in the tutorial. Let's go back to the Getting Started page. The first step of Metrics is to view a tutorial. We have several tutorials within the system. If you have questions that are not answered in this tutorial, it may be helpful to watch the other tutorials or to go to the Frequently Asked Questions section, both located under Help. Step 2 is to view your assigned courses and begin learning. There are 2 ways you can view your assigned courses. The first way is to click the Learn button in the middle of the screen. The second way is to click My Plan in the top navigation panel. Your My Plan consists of all of the activities that you are taking. To launch a course, click on the arrow button next to the name of the activity under Action. In addition to courses, most certification tracks come with a mentoring and a test prep feature. The mentoring feature allows you to live chat or email a mentor at Skillsoft who is knowledgeable in the content. Typically, users can expect to hear a response within 24 hours. Mentoring is not a course that needs to be completed in order to qualify for the exam. The test prep, however, is a practice exam that you can use to see if you're ready to sit for that particular exam. You must take the test prep in certification mode for the score to record. The certification track courses provide preparation and knowledge needed for certification tests. In order to gain the certification, you must go to a proctored location and take the certification exam. When you have completed your coursework, passed your practice exams, and are ready to take your certification exam, or receive additional preparation for certifications, please contact your Onward to Opportunity Installation Coordinator for more information. Let's look at the icons on the My Plan page. The graph icon is the activity report. This will give you more information about the activity and your progress. The gear icon will allow you to change the due and reminder dates for the activity. Now let's take a look at the My Report page. You can view your My Report from the My Plan by clicking on My Report. In your My Report, you can see the number of courses passed or failed, as well as the overall time in the system. To pass a course or assessment, you must score an 80% or higher. If you do receive an 80% or higher, it is noted by a certificate icon. If you click on this icon, a new window will appear, which allows you to print a certificate verifying your completion in a certain area. If you do not pass a course, you can retake the activity as often as you need in order to get the score you want. Now let's go back to the Getting Started page. If you need to alter your Metrics account settings, you can easily manage this information by going to My Account on the top navigation panel. If you need to change your location, email, name, password, or language, you can do so here. To save changes, simply click Submit. If you have additional questions about Metrics Learning, you can find additional tutorials and frequently asked questions under Help on the top navigation panel. If you would rather have correspondence with someone, you can click Support. Under Step 3 on the Help Support page, you can click Create a new support ticket to send a message to technical staff. You will get a response to your message within 1 business day. This concludes the Onward to Opportunity Distance Learning Component Getting Started tutorial. We hope you take full advantage of metrics learning by taking as many courses necessary in order for you to achieve your career goals. Best of luck!